Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have an interesting coding problem to tackle, converting a given string into a zigzag pattern with a specified number of rows. This is number 6 on LeetCode, it's called Zigzag conversion, and today we'll be solving it in Java. Our Java solution uses a smart row-based approach to achieve this. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so we are given a class named solution that contains a method called convert, which converts the input string s into a zigzag pattern with a specified number of rows, numRows. To handle the case when numRows is 1, we have a quick check at the beginning. If numRows is 1, we simply return the original string s as it won't have any zigzag pattern. Next, we create a list of string builders called rows. The size of the list is determined by the minimum number of numRows and the length of the input string s. Each element in this list will represent a row in the zigzag pattern. We initialize curRow to keep track of the current row we're processing and going down as a flag to indicate whether we're moving down or up in the zigzag pattern. We then iterate through each character c in the input string s. Inside the loop, we append the current character c to the corresponding row in the rows list using the curRow index. This way, we build the zigzag pattern row by row. We check if curRow is at topmost row, index 0, or the bottommost row, index numRows minus 1. If so, we need to change the direction of the movement by updating the going down flag. After processing each character, we increment or decrement curRow based on the value of the going down flag, effectively moving us up or down the zigzag pattern. Once we've constructed the zigzag pattern, we concatenate the characters in each row to form the final converted string stored in the variable ret. We then return the converted string, which is our answer. So now let's go ahead and run this. And we were accepted. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.